'Twas the night before holiday break, when, in part of the house, Taur typed on his keyboard and clicked on his mouse, and thought, I want to send a heartwarming holiday text to my customers, but didn't know what to write. I know, he proclaimed. I'll call Christina. She'll know how to phrase it just right. Hello, and welcome to Taur's Tutorials. My name is Taur, and I'm here to teach you how to open phone. Today's topic, how to send a heartwarming holiday text to your customers, featuring my friend Christina. Let's get into it.
Oh, Taur's calling. Taur's calling. Okay. Hello?
Hey girl, my friends and I need some help writing heartwarming holiday tests for our customers. Do you think you can help us out?
Oh, absolutely.
Loves it. Okay, what types of holiday greetings can I send?
Well, there are 3 vibes that you can go for. There's warm, funny, and professional.
Oh, really? Do you think you can help me with one of each?
Yeah, totally.
Awesome. Let's start with a warm greeting. When would I use this type of greeting?
So a warm message is a pretty safe bet for any business, especially small businesses that may have more personal interactions with their customers. An example would be something like, Dear name, may the magic of this special time fill your hearts with joy that lasts throughout the whole year. Happy holidays. Your friends here at Company Name.
Okay, I know you got jokes. What about a funny greeting?
Okay, so we all know that I live for the LOLs, okay? So however, a funny holiday greeting can either be a delight or it can fall flat. I would make sure you really know your customers well when choosing a humorous approach. Consider injecting a little nostalgia from a popular Christmas movie or referencing a holiday quote or anecdote. An example would be, Name, thanks for helping us slay this past year. Wish you and your family a safe and healthy, happy holidays. Your friends here at Company Name.
Okay, what about a professional greeting?
A profesh greeting is great if warm feels a little too mushy and funny feels a little too risky. So an example would be, Dear Name, our thoughts are with those who have made our success possible during the holiday season. We want to say thank you and send our very best wishes for the holidays and the new year. Sincerely, Company Name.
Well, this was great, Christina. Thank you so much. But now we gotta get back to my friends and wrap this up.
Alrighty. Happy holidays. Love you.
Oh, yeah, thanks. And as a reminder, don't forget to have an option to opt out with every text message you send. And that's it. I'll see you all next year. From all of us here at Open Phone, we wish you a safe and happy holiday season. Bye!